This is our first introductory session. Before this, also, I have shared many things on our YouTube channel, ZX's Trade. So, in this, why we have started ZX's and how's the journey will plan from today onwards. So, we will discuss that. So, we have started this journey because I want to share my experience from the stock market. That 8 years, from 8 years I am working with Morgan Stanley. Before that, Credit Suisse, UBS, and many more actually. And when I am working on this, I used a Bloomberg tool, Fidesa, then how other tools are working actually, like why UNSW, like ultra high network clients are working, how their trades get placed. Then we have HFT actually, high trading frequency. These are the multiple tools, and I get the hands-on this tool many of the times. And today also I'm working with Morgan Stanley. I'm getting a hands-on on that. And when we see the SEBI in India says that 92 percentage of traders are getting loss actually in options and futures. So why they are making that? Because there are no specific strategy for them. Like many of you have joined or many of you are doing the day-to-day basis intraday or future and options. But what is the capital you are using, like 10,000, 50,000, 1 lakh? And what is the profit that you have to earn in that capital on the same day? No one has any clue because there is no target we have set. There we have stop loss actually, but most of the traders don't follow that. In case of the profit also, we don't have any kind of risk management, like how many lots we have to purchase, how to manage our capital first. If there are no trades are getting, we have to wait patience and everything. So that's why we have come as a z axis, because on live market we will see x and y axis. On x axis side we will see the prices are going up, y axis side we will see the timings actually, like 1 minute happen candlestick pattern actually happening. But where is the z axis? In z axis is for the strategy and wait for the patience actually, like where to get the trades. It's all about the volumes, like where the sellers are getting placing their trades actually. So what are the remaining 8 percentage who are getting profitable? So I will just tell you one story actually. It's a basic story, like it's a day to day. We used to go for the fruit seller to purchase some fruits. And many of the times we see that the fruit seller are profitable actually. And as a buyer, we just purchase the 10 rupees apple or anything. So why only sellers are getting profitable? So this strategy we came up with, the price action strategy. It's coming from the long back actually. It is not invented by us. It is not invented by anyone. It is the going long back in the live market strategy, price action strategy. And it is mostly used by the seller actually, like where they have to sell, and as a buyer where we have to buy actually. So that's why in our ZX's Telegram channel also, Matti, okay. So in our ZX's channel also, most of the time you will see that almost it's not the percentage that I have calculated. The feedback from your side only I get almost 90 to 95% time. Whatever the trades and the signals that I'm giving on the channel are getting hit actually. So why these only trades are getting hit? Like today also I have given one trade that Sensex of 85,000 call side about 150. So if you see it goes to 147, 149 and taking rejection from that. And once it cross 150, it is going to 300 also. But we are not going for 300. I have given my target 170 rupees. This is the profit I have to make. I have booked my profit. So that's the strategy. That's the patience we have to follow, and we have to keep the consistency, like one day I will make 50,000, 20,000. This is not how the share market or future and option work. Here we have to keep consistency, like daily I will take 1% or 2% of my capital. So that once you set your, like how you set our daily routine, that's how we have to set our strategy also. So in the next 3 days, like our paid session for the 21st to 23, according to the members' advice and the time actually, We are taking the price action strategy, fundamentals, how we can manage our capitals, how to take risk mitigation. Actually, risk mitigation is the fundamental part in future and options. How we can mitigate our risks, how, where to purchase, where to take our stop loss, in which condition we have to average actually. Suppose for example today I have purchased something at 150, and without hitting my stop loss that price goes up to the 90, 95, and 85. So at that condition, seeing the volume and by seeing the news actually, we can take average actually. So all these factor coming in a picture, we have make our paid classes from 21st November. I will give the brief about that classes. In that, what you will get? In that, you will get the basics of stock market, then market structure and participants, like which are the parties are involving and from whom we are fighting actually, from where we are getting the money, because most of us are buyers actually. So we have to get money from sellers, those who are selling their options, and those who are hedging actually. So from hedging indirectly we can say is the insurance. So from insurance we have to take our money as a buyers. Then price action fundamentals we will go. Then candlestick pattern, like how I analyze candlestick pattern, what is the volume of that, and how it will hit in future actually. And market psychology, like if you see currently the Bihar election happen, all the people have take the buyer side actually, because BJP hits a 200 plus seats actually. But market not follow that news. After 5 p.m. only that market gives the C side, like a call side bullish pattern. So how the market psychology works in a news actually, so that we can learn in that. Many of the time in the Sensex expiry, Bank Nifty expiry, or Nifty expiry, we will see the reversal actually. Like in a morning, Sensex will be 1000 or 700 points up. At the time of market closing 315, 320, it will goes up to the 700 same point down. So that reversal, why it occur, when it occur, we can predict that and how to trade in that. And last, entry and exit strategy. Like once the rally is started, like today I have given one trade at buy 150. By any chance, if someone has not buy at 150, if rally is going on, he has buy at 180 or 195, and price suddenly drop actually. So his stop loss went actually 195 to 120. He has to take stop loss of 80 to 85 rupees. But the target that I have given, buy it at 150 and take stop loss of 120. So in that condition, he has to take stop loss of only 30 points. So entry and exit also important, because in options we have only two things, like market is going up, we have to buy call option. Market is going down, we have to buy put option. Only two things are there, but still many people are making losses because they don't know where to buy and where to sell. So in the next 3 days we can continue, and even if we don't know anything about the stock market, what is future and option, we will take from scratch actually. And most important thing, on the last day, we will take trading discipline and consistency. That if today I have make the profit of 1000 rupees, 500 rupees, that consistency we have to take for next 21 days, all the trading cycle. And that was I was following from last 6 years continuously. That my profits are very small. Like if you see my screenshot are 2000 rupees, 2500 rupees, very small. But that I am following throughout the month, throughout the year. So that's what this ZX is come in picture. And I will open the forum for question and answer if we have anything. Okay, before that, one more thing. If you join these classes, you will get a 1 month free Telegram channel. Actually, currently the Telegram that I am providing, in which you will see only one or two trades I am providing without any analysis on that. But if you join my premium channel in the class, you will get the trades that I am providing. What is the psychology? What is the analysis I have did, and why it is hitting that trade or the target or stop loss at particular time only. And you will get the 1 month free mentorship through me. So that's the thing you will get in our classes. I will open the forum for question and answer. If you have anything, you can go one by one, or you can just ping in chat box also. Hi, good evening. Hi, Vishwajit Kumar. What is the best time to trade? Actually, there is no best time to trade. It depends on the market. Many of people think that 9:15 is the best time, or the market ending like 3 or 2:30 is the best time, but there is no perfect time actually. It's totally depend on your entry and exit. So if you buy something very low at 9:30, you can sell it at 3:30 also. So there is no perfect timing or best timing. Sir, I have to know on which basis you. I took trades on the price action totally. What is the price action going on? Then volume, on what side sellers are more. Like what is the volume of current selling size is going on. But mostly price action fundamentals, I took the trades actually. And candlestick pattern, how the candlestick patterns are forming. And most of the time, instead of any strategy, because these are recently in market actually, like RSI indicator, if it goes below 30 pointer, some below 20 points, sir. So these are not the these are the just indicator that it will happen. But the candlestick pattern which are forming on your screen, these are the real indicators for sellers to sell actually. Because as a buyer, we are not driving the market, we are just buying it. Sellers are the one who are driving the market. So I just go with the seller strategy and price action strategy. Hello.
Yeah, hi.
Hi. Hi,
Yeah.
Manish.
The question is that how many, what is the duration of this class?
Yeah, so in starting, we will keep the class duration of 3 days, and timing we will schedule the same timing like 8:30 to 9:30 in evening. But and after that also till 1 month, like till the end of December, I will take the revision session on that, because most of us only know that I know the stock market, that I am buying it, I am selling it. We only know that. But if you come with the blank mindset in this class, you will get to learn more thing. And till the end of December, I will take the revision classes also. And in the live market, like 9:30 to 3:30, in live market also, we will try to keep 2 or 3 classes, that how we can trading it. So that is the duration actually. Okay, how much minimum money is required to start stock market? I can say the currently minimum 25,000 you will need, because the lot size of Bank Nifty, Nifty and Sensex are more. But if you want to start with 10,000 also, minimum 10K, so you can go with the Sensex because its lot size is still 20. So you can go with that. Like once you get the capital to 25, you can do with other also, like Bank Nifty, Nifty also, but minimum 10K is requirement. Scalper potential swing. Okay. So actually in this scalper positional and swing. So these are where to scalp actually. What do you mean by scalping and what do you mean by the swing trading? So all this come with the effect of the seller strategy. Like if you open the market, like today also, if you open the market and you can see the one long a red candlestick pattern, like if I remember in the same call option, 85,000 call option, I will just put it here just for reference. So around 98 rupees it was closed previously, yesterday, and when it opened at around 180 or 160 rupees. But something like that, above 60 rupees. Okay. So if seller have sell that actually sold that, so it will seller is doing the loss because the price is going against him. So when you called it as a swing trader, so swing trader take the advantage of the seller's loss actually, and in the scalping it's opposite. And positional trader, I am not because if you mean positional trader that I'm taking today and keep the position, so if that is the position, no, I'm the just intraday trader actually. Like what will happen it today only. I will close all my position at 3:30. ट्रेडिंग करने का कौन सा सही समय हो सकता है सर? ट्रेडिंग एक्चुअली जस्ट बिफोर दैट ओनली आई आंसर। ट्रेडिंग का कोई सही समय नहीं होता है कि मॉर्निंग में 9:30 बैठ गए फिर क्लोजिंग सेशन 9:30 में हमने क्लोज कर दिया, ऐसा कोई सही समय नहीं होता है। जहाँ पे हमारे एनालिसिस कैंडलस्टिक पैटर्न सब सही बैठ जाते हैं वहां पे हमें ट्रेडिंग करना चाहिए। अगर आपने मान के चला कि 9:30 इज द बेस्ट टाइम टू ट्रेड, बट अगर आपने आज का मार्केट देखा होगा कि 9:30 पे कोई मोमेंट ही नहीं थी, मोमेंट आई मार्केट में 10:30 11 में। कॉल मतलब बुलिश मार्केट था, कॉल साइड पे मार्केट बढ़ रहा था, और आपने कॉल मतलब आपने ट्रेड लिया होगा 9:30 पे, तो उसका कोई इम्पैक्ट नहीं था। तो सही समय नहीं होता है जहाँ पे आपके एनालिसिस सही बैठते हैं, उसी टाइम को हमको सही करना होता है। Stock market, which demat account is best? Actually, I personally recommend Zerodha or Grow actually, but from last 6 years I'm using Zerodha. I have never seen any glitch in that. But recently the upstocks or any which are using those who are taking 5 rupees per trade. So most of the people are seeing glitches in that, like prices are not updating timely. So choose wisely, like Zerodha or Grow. हाँ, यस, नाइस क्वेश्चन। कि इमोशन में आके जो ट्रेड लेते हैं उससे टैकल कैसे करना रहा है। सो एक्चुअली दैट्स व्हाट जेड एक्सिस केम। एक्चुअली इन जेड एक्सिस वी आर टीचिंग यू हाउ यू कैन मैनेज योर प्रॉफिट। एक्चुअली वी हैव स्टॉप लॉस, लाइक इफ आई एम गिविंग, लाइक अगर मैंने 100 रुपीज और 10,000 रुपीज लगाए तो हमारे पास स्टॉप लॉस तो है कि 1K का मैं लॉस बेयर कर सकता हूँ, बट हमारे पास प्रॉफिट का कोई टारगेट ही नहीं है दैट अप टू 500, or if I get the 1K in that. So there is no profit target. So that's why इमोशन में आके या फिर रिवेंज ट्रेडिंग हम जिसे करते हैं कि टुडे आई मेक द 500 और 2,000 रुपीज लॉस। सो हाउ वी कैन टैकल दैट? सो दैट सिस्टम आई विल एबल टू टीच यू इन 21st November सेशन, कि इमोशन से ट्रेडिंग कैसे नहीं किया जाए, रिवेंज ट्रेडिंग क्यों ना की जाए, दैट्स व्हाट। Okay, so in a Telegram channel, it will be a premium channel. इसमें हम बताएंगे कि कौन सा ट्रेड कब लेना है, उसके टारगेट हिट होंगे। देन वो जो ट्रेड हम देंगे उसमें उसका पूरा एनालिसिस होगा कि ये टारगेट क्यों हिट हुआ, ये स्टॉप लॉस क्यों हिट हो गया। उसके बाद 1 मंथ आपको एक जैसे इंट्रोडक्टरी सेशन अभी चल रहा है, 1 महीने तक हम एक रिवीजन क्लासेस भी लेंगे, जैसे टारगेट क्यों हिट हो रहे हैं, स्टॉप लॉस क्यों नहीं आ रहे हैं इसलिए। एंड जो लाइव सेशन रहेंगे जैसे मॉर्निंग 9:30 to 3:30, वी विल ट्राई कि हम एक लाइव सेशन भी कंडक्ट करें उसमें, कि आई विल ऑन स्क्रीन शेयर, आई विल पंच वन ट्रेड एंड हाउ इट विल हिट द टारगेट एक्चुअली। So that thing you will get in a channel and from our classes for next 1 month. It's not about you are paying for only 3 days, you are paying for next 1 month actually. Okay, so profitable. So actually as I mentioned कि मेरा जो एक्सपीरियंस है 8 years का है इन स्टॉक मार्केट। बट एज आई मेंशन कि मैंने लास्ट 6 years ही, मतलब लास्ट के जो 6 years है वही से ट्रेडिंग स्टार्ट किया। जो पहले 2 years थे आई वॉज जस्ट टेकिंग द स्क्रीन एंड ऑब्जर्विंग इट कि मार्केट कहाँ जा रहा है। पहले 2 साल आई वॉज जस्ट इन ऑब्जर्विंग कि मार्केट कहाँ जा रहा है, क्यों जा रहा है, रिवर्सल कब आता है, कैसे आता है। एंड व्हेन आई हैव स्टार्टेड, एक्चुअली आई स्टार्टेड विथ अ लिमिटेड वैल्यू, ऑलमोस्ट 5,000 यू कैन से, बिकॉज 6 साल पहले जो लॉट्स थे जो हम बैंक निफ्टी के खरीदते हैं वो काफ़ी 25 के ही थे, तो आई वॉज एबल टू डू दैट। Is stock market like? No, it's not gambling actually. It's a prediction and it's the analysis. Stock market is not gambling because if it's gambling, तो अगर एक गैम्बलिंग होता तो मेनी कंपनी जो अभी जैसे आई थिंक लेंस कार्ट का आईपीओ आ रहा है, तो उनका जो आईपीओ आ रहा है वो स्टॉक मार्केट में ही आ रहा है ना, वो कहीं बाहर नहीं जा रहा है। तो स्टॉक मार्केट गैम्बलिंग नहीं है मेनी। आपने अभी एक रिसेंटली पोस्ट देखा होगा जो फेसबुक, इंस्टाग्राम एंड लिंक्डइन पे काफ़ी वायरल था, कि एक मुंबई के ट्रेडर थे, उनके अकाउंट में ऑलमोस्ट 48 CR थे, बट जीरोदा की लिमिट थी 5 CR ही एक दिन में वो डिडक्ट कर सकते थे। तो अगर गैम्बलिंग होता तो उनका जो शेयर था वो 48 CR के आसपास नहीं जाता। ओके, सो प्रॉफिट होने के बाद एक्चुअली मेरा पर्सनल जो सजेशन रहता है कि आपको पैसे निकाल लेना चाहिए। अगर आपने जैसे 25K से स्टार्ट किया है तो आपका एक डेली जो टारगेट रहेगा वो 2K अगर हिट हो गया तो आपको डेली उस अमाउंट को डेबिट करना चाहिए। क्योंकि इफ अगर आपका अमाउंट बढ़ रहा है, जैसे 25K से आपने स्टार्ट किया, वो अमाउंट बढ़ रहा है, कैपिटल आपका 50K हो गया, तो जो स्ट्रेटेजी आप 25K पे अप्लाई कर रहे थे, जो रिस्क थी आपकी 25 की, तो अभी वो 50K की होगी, तो 50K पे आपकी जो स्ट्रेटेजी होगी, जो रिस्क मिटिगेशन होगी, वो टोटली डिफरेंट होगी। तो डे टू डे बेसिस पे आपको आपका प्रॉफिट डेबिट करना चाहिए। एंड आई विल सजेस्ट आपको किसी और चीज़ में इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए, या फिर आपको फ्यूचर एंड ऑप्शंस ही करना है तो आपको एक अलग से जो कैपिटल आपका बढ़ेगा, 50K होगा, 1 लाख होगा, तो फिर आपको आपकी जो स्ट्रेटेजी है वो आपको रिफेज करनी पड़ेगी उस कैपिटल के लिए। एंड वही सब चीज़ हम इस 3 दिन के अंदर सीखेंगे कि आपकी कैपिटल का 1% आपको प्रॉफिट बुक करना चाहिए, 2% करना चाहिए, 3% करना चाहिए, देन एसएल आपका कितना होना चाहिए। ये सब हम एंड टू एंड इन क्लासेस के अंदर 1 महीने के अंदर यही सीखने वाले। एनीथिंग एल्स? हाउ मच डू यू अर्न फ्रॉम ट्रेडिंग पर मंथ और पर वीक? सो not to reveal, but I will say I have consistency, so I will take up to, like, I started with 500 daily. Actually, if you saw my previous post 1 year back, I was taking only 500 daily, but that's my consistency. So now tentative I am taking almost 1,000 rupees or 1,500. It will goes up to sometimes 2,000 also. So that's the consistency I'm prof. Can we earn 500 daily? Yes, you can. But you have to follow the consistency and the patience actually. That sometimes you hit the 500, but your profit showing 700, 800. You are not closing that. So you will not earn. So you should be very patient. सर हमें डेली आपकी चैनल पर अपडेट रहना पड़ेगा। यस, देन हाउ यू विल गेट ट्रेड एक्चुअली। आप अगर डेली रहेंगे तो ही आपको मिलेगा अपडेट्स। एंड आई विल शेयर द लिंक ऑल्सो, और माई टीममेट्स विल शेयर द लिंक्स इन अ चैनल ऑल्सो. Someone please share the links, our Telegram channel links, so you will get them. I think that's the thing we have to discuss in introductory session. If anyone has any doubt, just comment. Trading. Okay. So why I started actually? So what I am earning, there is nothing enough actually. Everyone has to work. And when I saw the news that 92% people are making the losses and everything, I am not giving you the guarantee that you will also earn 2K or 3K. I am just giving you the knowledge sharing session, that what I learned from my 8 years of experience. And if you see my Telegram channel, how it different from other Telegram channel, they will give you the actions of 30K their profit or 40K. I am just giving you the minimum amount of 500,000. And I just wanted to share that what I have learned from the US market or the terminals, that Bloomberg terminal or the Aladdin from the BlackRock actually. So if you just check their prices, that cost up to 35 CR actually. And if you want to know any more thing, we can post in our Telegram group. I will wrap up the session. Thank you so much guys. Thanks for joining. You can go to our website or YouTube also, like, share, subscribe, and you will get our free Telegram channel. And answer to our question, Vivan, we have free Telegram channel also going on, so you can join that also. It's free of cost only, so you can check that. And this is, I think, Jay already posted. This is the free Telegram channel link. Thank you all for joining us.